First, we're going to start with parabolas, and we need to find the vertex, focus, and directrix. Remember, from our blue sheet, we have our equation. X minus h quantity squared equals 4p, and this is on your blue sheet, y minus k. So that's the form that we're trying to get this into. So to start off, we're going to put that 10 and the 6y on the other side. So we're going to have 3x squared minus 6x equals positive 6y and negative 10. Next, we're going to factor out a 3 from here and get ready to complete the square. We're going to put our blanks in. So we're going to do 3x squared minus 2x plus our blank spot equals 6y minus 10 plus that same blank spot. Now all we have to do is complete the square there. So 1/2 b times, or 1/2 b squared is going to be just 1. Oops. It's going to be 1. And really, that's because of this 3 here, we're adding 3 on this side. So we're going to have to add 3. Now we can factor this here and add like terms over here. So it's going to end up being 3x minus 1 squared equals 6y minus 7. Now, if we look back up here, we notice that the y is just by itself. So we have to, to get this equation down here to look like that, we have to factor a 6 out of this side. So that'll look like this. Y minus 7 over 6. So now, the only thing that is in this equation that is different from this one is this 3 out here. So to get rid of that, we're just going to divide both sides by 3. We'll have x minus 1 squared equals 6 over 3, which is 2, y minus 7, 6. And now we have it in that standard form, and we can find those elements that I told us at the beginning of the problem to find. The vertex is easiest to find because it's just h and k, which up here are just written right in the equation. So our h is here and our k is there. So we just have to remember that it's minus h and minus k, or minus h and minus k. So these are actually, they're negative here, but they're positive for the vertex. So our vertex is going to be 1 and 7, 6, just like that. Now to find the directrix and the focus, we have to find P. If you remember, and this is on your blue sheet once again, 4P is equal to 2. We know that by just looking right here. That's 2. So 4P equals 2. So then that means that if we have, that just means that P equals 1/2. You can solve that algebraically. Now, when we pulled this off of our blue sheet, we used the equation for the up and down equation. So now all we have to do is decide which one is if it's up or down. And because our 4p is positive, that means that it opens up, which means that the directrix is going to be below the vertex, because the directrix is on the other side, is on the bottom side of the parabola, and the focus is within the branches of the parabola. So just to draw it like a quick sketch, our directrix is going to be down here, and our parabola is going to be up there, and our focus is going to be right there. That's what it's going to look like. So with that in mind, P is the distance between here and here. Those are our P's. So from the vertex, we have to just add 1/2, or 1/2 equals 3/6 to our y value, because the y value is the value that's going to change to move it up and down. So with that in mind, our directrix is going to be 4/6, which is equal to 2/3, and that's going to be that line. So that line there is going to be y equals 2/3. So that's our directrix, and our focus is going to be the 3/6, or the 1/2, the p, all the same thing, added to the 7/6. So it's going to be 10, end up being 10/6. Focus is going to be, and the x value is just going to stay exactly the same. And 10/6 simplifies to be 5/3. So there we have our focus, our directrix, and our vertex.